try that one.
I got the bus home yesterday. I got the 501 that you showed me. These old streets don't feel the same, because on long rides home I no longer see your face.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's another vlog in Vida de Michelle. Today is actually the day after this whole vlog was recorded because I accidentally deleted our intro. But that's okay. I'm just gonna explain a little bit what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to a restaurant called Saigon Cafe, and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna straighten my hair for the first time in 2.5 years. And also, it's a 6-month anniversary of when I cut my hair. So, you know, it's a big day today. If you guys want to see what my hair looks like straight, it's actually straight right now. But I'm not going to show you because you have to keep on watching, alright? So I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. Alright guys, we are at the restaurant and so far, customer service is not great.
Lagging.
It's
so far like a 3 out of 10.
I'm going to get the P1, extra large.
Then can I get the 83 sesame chicken? Can I get it with yellow rice?
That's all. Yeah. Thank you. I don't have what?
Did you go to that restaurant?
No. So far, they've been kind of rude to us, and I mean, I understand with the camera, but the thing that's good at Extra Bowl because I put a lot of this stuff, and you probably would
What
not
is
be
that?
able. It's hot sauce.
Because I'm white?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So it's been like 4 minutes.
No, like literally 1 minute.
Yeah, and my food came already. So I don't know if I should be like happy or kind of scared. It smells good though. Okay, so George's food came in too. It's good. The thing about this is there's a lot of science that goes into this. I had a bunch of this stuff. It's time for supper. In for the first time. Look at these. These are actually like ramen noodles. I don't like that.
Did you say ramen? It's definitely ramen.
Dang.
It's not the same thing.
So, jalapenos add spice. Put the leaves in it, the grass. 1 shot of vodka. Those are good. How are you liking your chicken and your
Okay.
rice?
Not the best I've had, but what is it?
I have no idea. It'll probably be hot for you. Don't try that one. This one's good. I use my hands a lot. How'd you like it?
I'm kind of stuck.
Did
It's
you?
really good, but like
Yeah, she ate most of it. The pho was pretty good. We're probably gonna wrap things up over here, but we're gonna go get our check and get a to-go plate. And then we're gonna go home. Straighten my hair. So, you don't see this every day. I don't know what this contraption is. Alright guys, so we left the restaurant. It was pretty good. It
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoyed it. It made me sleepy though. I'm pretty tired now, but we're going to my house and we're gonna go try and straighten my hair. But I'm kind of curious to see how it turns out. Alright guys, so we are finally home. I'm very tired, but we're gonna get this process started. I already washed my hair and I put oil and like moisturizing creams in there so that my hair can stay moisturized while it's straightened.
Still have to blow dry it.
We still have to blow dry it first, which, because my hair is wet, so I have to dry it. So that's what we're gonna do first. So, my hair is pretty much completely blow dried. Does it look good?
Good.
Now we're gonna
Straighten it.
Alright, so we officially have one side completely done. We have to continue on to the other side and hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, what do you think? Does this look good? Alright guys, so this is the finished look.
Only took an hour and a half.
Hour and a half, which sounds bad, but it's not that bad. My hair is very layered, so like it looks kind of weird. No, I can work with it.
Yeah.
I feel like I can. I can rock this look. I look tired. It's been a long day. I'm looking rough, so I'm going to probably insert some pictures after this because this doesn't do me justice, I promise. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and, tell your friends about me, I'll see you guys next time. Comment down what you guys want to see in my next videos and I will do that. Literally, just comment, give me suggestions and we'll get it done. So yeah, that's it. Bye guys.
Bye.